Hey up, Ripple the Greens family, what's really good? I'm here to give y'all a review on the stickers I've printed recently. Some of you guys may have seen it. It's four designs. I printed some stickers and I was campaigning for the you people, my followers, my subscribers, my supporters, to tell me which one is the best one, and that will be the first one I print early next year. Right now, you're checking out the behind the scenes of me separating the stickers um, from the one big sheet, which the printer printed all the stickers on one big sheet, and I had to just cut them out, separate them one by one. Doing this, you have to be very careful. You don't cut too close to the sticker. So I suggest you do them one by one instead of rushing to them to do all at the same time. But at this point, I think I got it. So I might be doing it a little faster than usual. I must say I had fun cutting up these stickers, you know. At least once you have a good scissors, then you can't go wrong. So you won't believe what happened here, guys. Take a look at this. Guess which sticker I forgot to cut out? Nope, not this one. Not this one. Guess which one was it? Which sticker did I forgot to cut out? Patience and precision is key when cutting up these stickers, guys. The slightest mistake, the closest you come too close to the sticker, and you accidentally slip off a piece of it, you wouldn't feel good. Your clients will be going with half a product or a portion of it, and your logo wouldn't be standing out. So do me a favor, as I said earlier on, get the right tools and be very patient, go very slowly, and you wouldn't have a problem. All right, big and serious. New stickers alert, new stickers alert. All right, Repping the Greens family, which sticker was your favorite? Leave it down in the comment section and I will reply to you as well. Next year, hopefully we have more designs, so anticipate. Do me a favor, like this video, share it with your friends, family, loved ones, group mates, teammates, whatever, church groups, whatever. And, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any more videos like this one. Hope you all enjoy the video. See y'all in the next one. Take care.